Oh. So we have two numbers and we don't know the size of the numbers. We don't know what numbers they are, but we do know some facts about the numbers. We know that one number is 3 times larger. Well, if b is the larger number here, it would mean that we would need 3 times as many a's before we got the same number as we did b, because b is 3 times larger. For example, if b was 15, a would be 5. 3 lots of a, 3 lots of 5 would give us 15. And we know that the difference between the two numbers is 24. Now the larger number we know will be b. And if that's the difference between the numbers equals 24, we know that b minus a equals 24. So if we call this first expression equation 1, and we call this second expression equation 2, what can we do? Well, we know we call this in maths 2 equations and 2 unknowns. If you have 2 things that you don't know, but you've got 2 equations to solve them with, it's actually very easy. And you do it by a method called substitution. Up here, we know that b equals 3a. And down here, we've got an expression with b in. But we know that b equals 3a. So what we do is we put 3a in there, because we know that b equals 3a. If we do that, so we substitute 3a equals b into equation 2. Wherever we see b, we write 3a instead, because then we get 3a minus a equals 24. 3a minus 1a is really easy. That just gives us 2a. 2 lots of a equals 24. So if 2 lots of a equals 24, what do I do now? I divide both sides of the equation by 2, because I don't want to know what 2 lots of a is. I want to know what 1a is. That gives me that 1a equals 24 divided by 2 equals 12. So I'm saying now that a equals 12. If a equals 12, well, 3 lots of a must equal b. So 12 times 3 equals b, which should be 36. And if I've done everything right, and I substitute my value of b being 36, which in this equation here, take away a from it, which is 12, I will get 24. So if I've done it correctly, and this is the most important part with equations, the crucial part is to go back and check with your answer, put it back in the original equation and check that it actually worked. 36 minus 12 does equal 24, so my check works. And that's the beauty of equations. Okay? So if you've got 2 equations and 2 unknowns, it's really easy to fix anyway by substitution method.